Do you write romance? Are your star-crossed lovers both narrators across the different chapters of your story? Or maybe your epic fantasy trades off POV characters from chapter to chapter? With Spoken's Dual Narrator, you can set a different narrator for each chapter of your story. To get there, log into your Spoken account, create a new project, and upload your text. Make sure to follow the installment marker instructions for stories longer than 20,000 words. Breaking up the chapters is particularly important for dual narration projects. Once you've hit Confabulate, you'll twirl down the narration type drop-down menu and select Dual Narration. Click Make Passages, and we're on to the next step. We're going to start out in the Voices tab, as we'll want to make sure we've got just the right narrator for each part. You can choose from our extensive voice library, or create a custom voice of your own design with Hume AI or 11 Labs. From there, the Spoken Studio will ask you to assign a narrator voice for each installment. If you created a custom voice, make sure you toggle Include Custom Voices, so that your custom narrator will appear at the top of your library. Once you've done that, make your passages spoken, and you're ready to go. As always, it's best to listen to your work to make sure you are tugging at the listener's heartstrings with perfect pitch. We can't wait to fall in love with your work.